Here you see two logos for our campaign, United Among Our Diversities. On the left, we see an American logo utilizing the American flag, which symbolizes America and freedom, a dove, which is the American symbol for peace, and a fist with a heart in it, which is very symbolic for anti-racism in the United States. Our American audience will immediately recognize this logo and all of the symbols within it. However, the Italian audience may look at this as a bird delivering a weed to a black hand and not understand what it means at all. As for the Italian logo on our right, it also utilizes their country's flag in the background, but it also uses the Italian crest, and centered within the crest is their symbol for peace. The Italian audience will instantly recognize their flag, their crest, and their symbol for peace, and appreciate peace within Italy. But an American audience may think this looks like Christmas with a strange symbol in the middle. The American logo uses purple lettering, as purple is considered calming and spiritual in America, while the Italian logo uses red letters due to the representation of light and devotion in Italy. The peace symbol in the Italian logo is blue to represent calming and our pure intentions to fight for peace and equality. Both logos utilize the centralized balance to create calm and secure feelings in the viewers. We want our audience to be calm and trust that our anti-racism is such a huge issue in today's world. They need to know that we are in this together. Both of these logos can be shrunk down and used in print or for paperwork purposes, but they are also detailed enough to be enlarged and would create excellent representative visuals for t-shirts or banners at our anti-prejudice and anti-racism events in our communities.